Smile Sheikh. Today we are going to learn how to find empty files in your current directory. So we are going to use find command for that. So the syntax goes like this. It starts with find and then you have to point to the directory that you're targeting. So in this case I'm targeting my current directory. I want to find all the folders and files which are empty in this current folder or directory. Then you have to mention what kind of uh, what's the type. Now in the if it's a directory you can type in D. If it's a file you can type in F. Now first let's start with D, and I want to find empty folders or directories. For that you have to type in hyphen empty and hit enter. So in this case you can see there are two folders or directories which are empty. Now let's check the empty files. To do that, you can just replace D with F and hit the enter. Now you can see there are close to 6 files which are empty. Now I just want the count of these files. So in this case, what I'll do is I'm going to add a pipe symbol. Now if I do wc -l, it will give me a count of all those files which are empty. Now you can see 6 files are empty. Now similarly, if I want to find the directories which are empty, so instead of F, I'm going to replace it with D. So if I hit enter, you can see there are two folders or directories which are empty. Now let's learn how to remove the empty files from your current directory. So to do that, you have to again go back to find, point to your current directory, and then you have to type in type. Now in this case I need to remove the files, so it will be F, and I'm going to target the empty directory, so I have to type in hyphen empty. And then as we have to remove these files, I have to type one Linux command. So for that I have to if I want to include my Linux command in find, you have to type in hyphen exec, and to remove the files you have to just type in rm. And as we are using hyphen exec, you have to type in the end sequence, which will be the curly braces, and end it with backslash and semicolon. So now if I check the count, you will find all the files, empty files are removed. So that's how you can remove all the empty files from your Linux directory. Thank you so much for watching.